How's it going, everybody? In this video, put new exhaust and some new parts onto the Jeep. How's everybody doing? As you saw from the intro, I got a new exhaust. I'm replacing it because it's all rusted out, and today's finally the first day that it's actually kind of warm out. It's a little windy, as you probably can tell, but nice day. So I'm gonna have the door open. I also got a few more parts right here. So I'm also going to be replacing some of those, but yeah, the big one's the exhaust, so let's get started. And I know I keep telling you guys that the next video is going to be painting, but I mean, painting is just taking a long time. That's kind of the longest part of a restoration, so I mean, I'm going to get through this first, and then, you know, hopefully the next video is going to be painting. So the first thing I'm going to be replacing is this regulator. You don't know what this does. It basically takes power from the generator, and it's usually when a generator, because alternators have a separate regulator inside, but generators do not. So this just regulates 12 volts or 13.6 or something to go to the battery, so it doesn't just kill it. Alright, so that's how you change a regulator. Not too hard, and then you just put the bolts back up into the body. Pretty straightforward. Alright, so now for the thermostat. I mean, sure hope you guys know how to change a thermostat, but you don't. I mean, you just have to loosen a couple bolts. There's also a gasket with this, but, you know, I think this one actually insets so it doesn't leak, really. Oh wow, coolant's all the way up to there. I mean, I guess that's a good sign. The gasket looks pretty good. I'll just leave it. So the one I took out was a 180. Put in a 170 in. Should be fine. I mean, we don't really use the heat in the Jeep anyway, because, well, first of all, winter's over now, but probably next year, you know, it's not really going to be that big of a deal. We don't drive it in the winter. Yep, then you just, guess they like to put it in first. Put it up here. Usually this is a little bit easier because you don't have a radiator that's just flopping all around. But put one bolt in, tighten it down. Also, a lot of people put holes in these, you know, to bleed out the air. But these come with actually already a slot in them that lets air out. So that's why I didn't do it. Alright, another one down. Alright, so I'm going to be cutting up the exhaust. And remember, always wear mouth protection, ear protection, eye protection, and hand protection. I'm wearing sunglasses because I don't know where any safety glasses are. So if you want to support the channel, send me some safety glasses. So I just cut those all out. There's two bolts. To take this out, there's two bolts. There's one right here and one down here. I guess this one's actually not an bolt. This one's just a bolt. So take those out, and I can just pull that out. And there's one bolt, oops, right there. That's hanging on by the hanger, and then that should probably come out, hopefully. All right, you're also going to need these two. These are the exhaust hangers. This one doesn't look as good, so I'll probably order this one. This one has no cracking in it, so I'll keep this one. But you're also going to need 5 of these little clips that hook them together. I only got 3. I'll order 2 new ones and hang these up with them. Alright, let's get to it. So the first one, you just route down. And I do have a exhaust. I don't know if you can see that. I do have an exhaust washer. Just slide that on. So this exhaust just looks like it's just normal steel. I mean, I thought it would probably be galvanized, but it looks like it's just steel with a galvanized coating on it, which, you know, perfectly fine for me. So now that's in. Now I just got this long piece, which looks like it goes this way. Alright, so you just missed me putting this all on because I forgot to hit record. What you missed was Don't tighten any of these up until you figure out your exhaust exit tip, because you know that's kind of the most important spot. You don't want it in the tire, and you don't want it kind of in the cab to, you know, make it shake. Jeeps, they shake anyway, so that's not really that big of a deal. I'm gonna put the exhaust hanger on now, so let's get that going. Looks like it goes right about there. So I'm gonna take my other exhaust hanger, my old one for right now, just to hold it in place while I mock everything up. Alright, so that's all the parts I have now. I mean, I got a couple more, but they don't really need to be put in this video. I do have a new distributor, but the previous owner put in a electronic one, which much better than the old condenser one, points and condenser. I think that's what they're called. So I'm just going to leave that one in, and I think he put a new ignition coil in when he put it in. Alright, but that's the end of this video. The painting video should definitely be next because, you know, I'm almost done with it. And I've put you guys off long enough. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys think I should replace any other parts. I mean, I'm going to replace the suspension soon. And I told you, I'm not too worried about this exhaust, if it rusts or whatever, because I am going to probably do a motor swap eventually. I mean, maybe not until we put the body back on and do all that. But please comment, rate, and subscribe. And goodbye.